What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadesha, and in today's video we are back with another glueless unit from LUVME here. So the unit we're installing is their 12-inch loose wave minimalist lace wig, and this one has a bang on it. It comes with the two combs in the side, one in the back, and it also has the adjustable band on it. It has a little bit of lace up here to give it a more natural look at the scalp. This is it. So the wig we're installing today is 100% beginner friendly. It is super easy to install, less than 5 minutes, grab and go, super quick install, which means today we won't be needing any glue or gel for this unit. And because you guys have seen me install glueless wigs already, I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. So without further ado, let's move right into it. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it's giving Billie Eilish, like straight out the box. It has that really cool look to it. I love it. Like, it is super pretty, and I love the style of this bang. It doesn't like come into your face. It gives it a nice sweep on both sides. This is how it looks straight out the box. Has the lace at the top. Let me show you guys the back. Super cute. So let's go ahead and fix this. I just need to add some curls and curl the front because I feel like the bang is like in a perfect spot, so I don't need to like cut it off or cut it down. It's just perfect, and this is exactly where I would naturally wear my bangs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron the front to match the style, get some curls into the unit, and that will be it. But I feel like it is super pretty. It has that really cool look to it. So let's go ahead and finish this up. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and listen, it is super super pretty. This is so different comparing to other wigs that I've installed, and I definitely like this style. I know. It is super super pretty. I love how this turned out. Super bouncy, super soft, and it is giving cute, it's giving different. I love the uniqueness of this unit. This is it. This is the final look. I love how this turned out. I will be linking the information for the unit down below so you guys can go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.